Okay, this is a new ThruNite TI Pro. Got a pocket clip here. Can go either way. On your shirt, your pocket, flip it over here, it can go in your hat. And it turns on. You have 3. 1, 2, 3. Off, low, medium, high. I'm going to take it outside and show it to you, and I'll take it inside, tell you about it. There's the size. So first I'm going to show you the low. So first here, I'm going to show the low. This is the low. That lemon tree's maybe 20 feet away. Those cypress trees are maybe 100 feet away. You can't really see it on the low. I'm going to switch over to the medium. There's the medium. Now you can see it on the cypress trees. Top of that palm tree, probably 80 feet away. Now the high. You can definitely see it on that. You definitely see it on the power pole in back of the houses. That's probably 150 feet away. Look at those cypress trees. Light it up. It's a powerful light for a little pocket flashlight. The power pole in back of the garage there lights the whole thing up. Look at that. Again, the low. The lumens and the run times for each setting will be going across the screen. Medium. And the high. The high. You can actually see the high. And I'm in the city. You can see the high in the air. But not a real narrow beam. It's pretty wide. So when you get out about 50 feet, the beam's as wide as 2 city streets. It's like a floodlight. It's pretty nice though. So I'll take it inside, show you what it looks like inside, tell you a little bit about it, how much it is, where you can get it. There'll be a link in the details, all the lumens, all the information about it. It's a great little light though. ThruNite. They started making, I saw where they're going to be making a pocket knife possibly. They may have already done it. They make a pin, they make a keychain, they make some really cool stuff now. Besides lights. That's the TI Pro. On high, 1012 lumens, 133 minutes. On medium, 277 lumens, 150 minutes. On low, 30 lumens, 19 hours. Impact resistant 1.5 meters. Waterproof up to 2 meters. Turn it on. Twist it. Low. Medium. High. Off. Off is. There's your low, medium, high. Got a place for a lanyard right there. I do not believe this comes with the lanyard though. The battery. Okay, let me show you the battery. 920 mAh. I believe that's the type C. Comes with one. So there'll be a link in the details where you can check it out or pick one up. Made by ThruNite. ThruNite TI Pro.